Hello, it's Borobudur International Symposium. My name is Ulug'bek. I'm from Uzbekistan. My conference article 10, Horflies, Diptera today are pollinators of the species of the genus Furula L 1753 in Uzbekistan. I am Uzbekistan, Samarkand region, PhD student of the Department of Zoology, Institute of Biochemistry, Samarkand State University, named after Shah Rashidov. Next, after Rahimov, Department of Zoology, Department of Biochemistry, Samarkand State University of Uzbekistan, PhD Biological Science, Jabbarov, Doctor of Science, and Anabaya, doctoral student of Kashmir University of Economics and Pedagogy, Uzbekistan. Introduction. The Gainesville L includes perennial grasses with spread in Central Asia. One of the features of this genus is that significant part of the species in it are monocarpic. Flowering and seed formation occur only once during its ontogenesis. The main importance of representatives of the genus in the national economy is associated with the resin obtained from it. I will buy. Nurseries, however, Furula is grown have been established in Uzbekistan in order to bring the production of this resin to an industrial scale. 9 species of the genus are listed in the Red Book of Uzbekistan and taken under protection. Soviet et al. The ferula blooms forming a large yellow or white inflorescence that attracts a larger number of insects. The fact that many members of this genus are monocarpic shows how important the role of natural insect pollinators is for the preservation of their natural populations, as well as for the productivity of nurseries. Wagner. The volume of research on the entomofauna of this gens is small. In Uzbekistan, these studies have been conducted with respect to the entomofauna of Rhodes in the conditions of Kızılkum, Devlashina Razvizilko, et al. Entomofauna of Kyrgyzstan were studied in the Zarafshan range, Rahim et al., Halimov, and in the conditions of the Hissa range, Rahimov. Material and methods in this study were tried to analyze the relationships of some species of the genus Furula with representatives of the family Sylphidae that is this family. Fairgree one their tail, which are the most diverse and important pollinators among Diptera. The research was conducted mainly in the central Jizak, Samarkand, Nawawi, and Bukhara, and southern Kashkadarya and Surkhandarya regions of Uzbekistan. The study took place in deserts, foothills, mountains, and subalpine areas at altitudes ranging from 150 to 3,400 meters above sea level. Figure 1. Insects were captured using a standard entomological net as they landed on or flew around fuel inflorescence. The species was determined by the second author using the determinants of Barkalov and Peck and Steckelberg. Result and discussion in total 19 species of horror fleas belonging to 33 genera were found in the collected material. Most of them belong to two families, Aristolinae, 48 species, and Siphinae, 43, while only one species of the Pipizinae subfamily, Pipizella mesoasiatica, has been recorded. It is known from the results of studying the anti-ecology of individual plant species that pollination's efficiency is influenced not only by the number of pollinators but also by diversity. That is, the higher the diversity of pollinators, the more effective pollination. Yamamoto et al. We found that the representatives of 13 tribes are associated with the studied plants. Figure 2. Figure 2, species richness and species abundance of feral planets, however, fleas tribes. Tribes differ in the number of species as well as in the abundance of individuals. Some fungi, such as Serfina being diverse, a 28% of the total number of species belong to this to account for only 10% of the individuals existing in the ferula. In contrast, the genus Paragus accounts for 8% in terms of species diversity and 18% in terms of abundance of individuals. This condition is also observed in the Rhezogastrine and Heliacine tribes. According to the results of observation of some species associated with fleas, it can be said that among them, Phylocostanica turns out to be the most attractive for fleas. 53 species of fleas belonging to 23 genera have been recorded on this plant. Next comes Physiologicorum. 45 species of hover fleas have been recorded in the inflorescences of these species, which belong to 22 genera. With this spread in desert and xerophilic regions, Philosophidae elves found in vertebrates, while low diversity attracts relatively more species due to the fact that it is an extremely prominent element of these vertebrates. 31 species of fleas from 15 genera have been recorded in the inflorescence of this plant. Phylla samarcandica, Phylla picantica, and Phylla zecensis. 34, 17, and 22 species of fleas have been recorded respectively. The differences in the are obvious when analyzing the composition of pollinators according to the tribes noted in this Phylla species. Figure 3, distribution of pollens by tribe in different Phylla species. For conclusion, the species of fleas noted in them also corresponded to these regions. For example, a representative of the genera Ischedon, Eristalinus, Metaphora, characteristics of deserts, Tigay, and other lowland areas are found only in Phyllosophidae. The genus Rodendorfia, characteristics of high altitude areas, was recorded only in Ephemerologicorum, which grows at high altitudes. Difference in pollinator hover fleas between Phylocoxanic and Phylosamarcandica distributed are at relatively similar heights can be explained by morphological differences between these plants. Inflorescences. Phylocoxanica consists of large dense inflorescences as a result of which it seems to attract insects more. This my article references. Thank you. That's all. Bye bye.